Welcome to this guided meditation to enhance your focus and become more concentrated throughout your work, throughout your day, and becoming more present. Go ahead and find a comfortable space if you haven't already. Sit down, lay down on the floor or in your bed. Just make sure that you keep your spine straight. Go ahead and take in a deep breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And we are doing this for a couple of more breaths just to settle in, becoming more aware of our physical sensations and letting go of any tension in the body, in your muscles. Feel yourself sinking deeper into the bed or becoming more relaxed as you're sitting. Now, what I want you to do is to focus on the sensation of breath coming in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can also just choose to be breathing in through the nose and focus on the sensation. You're not forcing this breath. You're simply letting it happen on its own, and you're just there noticing it happening. You will also notice as you observe your breath that your mind starts to calm down. But if you start to wonder, just come back to the breath. Don't judge your thoughts, as judgment also is thinking. And we just want to be calm. You can even count your breaths and making images of each number in your head as you count. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to count up all the way up to 10. And when you reach the number 10, start over from 1. And you're practicing observing the breath, coming back to the breath. And you can also, if you find it difficult to focus, try to make yourself relax even more, so that for every breath that you take in, you're sinking deeper into relaxation. Your muscles are becoming more loose, and your mind becomes calm, quiet, and still. And you can come back to the breath now. As you're counting, noticing the sensation of breath coming in through your nostrils and out through your mouth. You may notice the cool sensation of breath coming in and the warm of breath coming out. You can also choose to either focus on the sensation of breath coming in through your nose or breath rising up your belly and falling. The sensation of breath rising in your belly and falling is also a great way to enhance your focus. And for every breath, you're becoming more aware, focused, relaxed, and more present. You feel at total ease. Keep counting. Now, as you had reached a lot of breath, you can choose to either continue this practice, or you may choose to open your eyes now and give your body a good stretch. Whatever you choose, it's up to you. And I wish you a wonderful day. I hope you have a great day. And this meditation is complete.